good. Here's Max Parrot dropping in, had a 41 on his first attempt.
Switch. And going for the switch. Going for the underflick triple.
Max Parrot looking so good at practice, looking so good early here in the qualifiers. Take another look.
One flip, dumps it over two. A little easier than the natural cork, just because you're kind of going over and over and not really gyroscoping. But holds his grab, opens up. And that's only his second.
Max Parrot, part of that Canadian slope style team, head to Sochi. Very impressive, by the way.
Coming in switch. Like, oh yeah, I have a, you know, a switch double backside 1260. Just, do you want me to pull this out?
That just happened. Here's Max Parrot.
Why not just pull out the backside triple 1620 on your first hit?
Dropping the hammer. He's Max Parrot. Here's Parrot.
Underflip. Oh!
Yes. Max Parrot.
Throwing in the extra rotation. So we said that's the easier of the triples, but able to get the extra 180 in there. Judges taking notes. So we said they have to keep upping it. That's that progression thing.